Getting the Bowman's Best Bird, 46.69. Dice roll. We're going 3 times. Teams first. 1, 2, and 3. 3 here, 3 here. Cubbies up top. The Padres at the bottom. 3 times now on your names. 1, 2, and 3. Nate up top. Chester Green at the bottom. Let's sort them out. They all sorted that time. There's your squads. Bowman's Best Bird. Good luck, everybody. Here we go. Good luck, good luck. Get some heaters out of this one. What am I doing? I was like, I don't do this product like that. It's too good. Every pack has some stuff. Matt Shaw shellacked. Matt Olson to 199. You got Ethan Salas and Spencer Jones. My brain forgot what I do with this product. I just opened it. 1 second, guys. I gotta grab some loaders. Again, the next one of these is close as well. It's about halfway full. 46.70. And just 5 left in the next Chrome Basketball. Chrome U. Jason LeBron James. Next pack, good luck. First ink, Colt Emerson. Nice one there for the Mariners. And Sean Murphy. Salas on the refractor. And Colt Emerson for the Mariners. Juan Soto, Jackson Chourio, Carlos Correa. Got Corbin Carroll and Freddie Freeman. Redemption. Who's Redemption in this stuff? Off the back, Javi Baez. Don't think we've seen Redemption yet. Max Clark for the Tigers. Bang, Orlando. How about Max Clark on the ink? Max Clark is a Redemption. Good to know. That is a monster. Best of 2023 autograph, Max Clark. Going to Orlando, the Detroit Tigers. Congrats, Orlando. We got Hunter Brown, Logan O'Hop to 299, and a Vaughn Grissom. Got Shellac Chourio, Logan O'Hop. Got Luis Guanipa for the Braves and Steven Scragg, Oswaldo Cabrera. Luis Guanipa on the refractor ink. Do like it that everything is on card in this product. I really like that actually. Brooks Lee on the reel-to-reel and Matt Shaw. Got Davis Martin and Jackson Chourio. Green, C.J. Abrams on the green speckle. Brandon Mayea, nice one for the Yankees. Orlando, have a break. And Vladdy Jr. Orlando had himself an early bird. Brandon Mayea and Max Clark. Two of the top prospects. Good grief. Good grief. Have a break, Orlando. Gonna recap it. CJ /99. Brandon Mayea. Luis Guanipa, Logan O'Hop, Max Clark on the ink. Corbin Carroll, Colt Emerson, and Matt Olson. To finish it off, Bowman's best bird in the books. That's the break, guys. Thanks for the fill.